Hey guys, I hope you are doing well. Today is Wednesday. Yesterday you completed that WebQuest. You learned about people like Malcolm X and the Black Panther Party, as well as voting rights and barriers to African Americans voting. That was for a grade, not just for completion, but for correctness. So today we're not going over it, but we're going to be extending on it. So you're going to watch the video I created, which has a lot of different speeches involved, some pictures and some conversation. And I encourage you to take notes. Now, I do have to lock, or already maybe have locked, your assignment from Tuesday, because if I grade something, I have to lock it. So I encourage you either on paper, you can take the notes, or you can just take it within this page on OneNote, whatever is easiest. Today, there's no grade, but it is going to affect your ability to do well on the test and understand the material if you do not participate and listen to the lecture today. Okay, so as for who I am, I went to Stanford before beating out 1,000 applicants for my job.